Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come. Crispy, crunchy, mixed vegetable, stuffed paneer roll, low calorie, diabetic friendly, minerals and antioxidant loaded. But before I tell you the recipe, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Break away our false and misleading assumptions and presumptions. Bless us with keen curiosity, sharp sight and clear hearing, far-sighted vision, true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. Vegetables for filling: cilantro or parsley or both, steamed corn, carrot, boiled potato, green peas, onion and ginger or anything of your like. Add any neutral cold pressed oil to a fry pan and add cumin to the hot neutral cold pressed oil and let it sputter. Now add the onions and other mashed, grated or sliced vegetables and stir well. After onions are done, add the cilantro, parsley, corn, green chilies mix and stir again. Add the carrots, that is grated, and stir again. Stir well. And now for some spices like turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, any neutral salt, carom seeds, cumin seeds, and very important and my favorite, mango powder. When done, now mix well and add the boiled potatoes. Mash them and mix well till done. Stir and mix well. Add cilantro or parsley and switch off the flames. It's done. Now grate the paneer or cottage cheese. I've taken about 200 grams and enough for 2 rolls. Once grated, add spices to a bowl like coriander powder, red chili powder, cumin seeds or any natural salt and mix well. You can take any spices of your choice also. This spice mix is going to be sprinkled over the cottage cheese or paneer roll. Now hot plate or tawa or girdle or a fry pan. Sprinkle and lay out the grated paneer or cottage cheese. Do it carefully. Be careful not to leave any spaces in between them because they must join together like a piece of bread or any roti or wrap or anything. When done, yes, collect together to form a compact body and so that it connects. Now sprinkle the spice mix over the cottage cheese or paneer and wait for it to stick. When done, paneer or cottage cheese will come away loose on its own. Now lay out the mixed vegetable filling evenly. Lay it out. It should be even. And when done, cover and roll the edges and allow them to stick and firm up. There. Let it take on the shape of a roll. When done, remove and plate to serve hot. There you are. Accompany with chutney, dips, and sauces, and serve with cold or hot beverages to all your known and friends.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.